Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you the best coin that you can buy that will be able to go times 10 in the next few days. Okay, so before I go into that, all you just need to do is to quickly subscribe to my channel. This is your first time coming across to this very channel. If you are returning viewers and you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos with friends in order for them to benefit from this. Okay, so the best coin that you need to buy in these few days is, should I name it now? Okay, let's go into that. Those coins have already been doing well. Okay, they've been doing well in the past few days, and they will continue doing well until they finally blow to one. Okay, so all you just need to do currently is to quickly pick up the phone, make sure you have a verified Bybit account. Don't forget, have a verified one Bybit account. So the first one is USDC. Okay, so have a look in on USDC previous move. So USDC have been doing well. Let's look at the one day. You can see USDC have been doing well. It moves from 0.23 to 4, okay, to 0.04. Okay, and as you can see again, USDC is about going up the second round again. Let's look at it 1 hour, how it has been going. You can see for the past 1 hour it has gone up to 0.043, and it has relaxed to 0.03 in the past 1 hour. So now this is also the best time for you to buy USDC and start making a high profit. Okay, you can see its 24 hours high was 0.43, its 24 hours low was 0.03, and its 24 hours turnover was 4.73 million. That's a nice one. Okay, this shows you that USDC is going to take a very high move again in the nearest time. Okay, so buy it, hold it for some time, and believe me, you will get a very high profit. Okay, all right, that is it for USDC. Okay, going back to it 15 minutes, you can see where it is currently and where it's about going currently. Now you check. Let me enter this trade with this and see. I'll place this trade here now. I'll place this trade here right now. Okay, let's see what will be. So let me see. Okay, that's not taking me. That's not taking me in yet. So I have opened an order here. I've opened an order here because I've seen a green moves here. So I would like to cancel it and stick my trade again. I will stick my trade again because I want to enter instant H2. So I'll stick my trade again. Let me stick with 20. Alright. So I'm sticking another new trade. Okay.